Starting around 15 July 2023. Essentially spell pretty token really is exchanging at $0.00050,429 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.14% in kind of most recent 1 hour, in an extremely huge manner. Spell by and large has a really complete market cap of $54,163,092, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,508,804 in an unpretentious manner. This makes for the most part Spell commonly token, Spell, lovely positioning at 352 in the digital money market, which sort of is genuinely huge. On the off chance that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in every practical sense is the Spell truly token cost expectation end of 2023. What will in a real sense Spell sort of token truly be exceptionally worth in 2023? Which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. Is fundamentally Spell most certainly token a very wise venture or in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2023? Which sort of is genuinely huge. Will sort of Spell cost by in large outperform its unequaled high, which truly is very critical. These really are truly Spell genuinely token cost expectations for Spell's future in an especially significant manner. Spell sort of token, Spell, value expectation 2023. As per the Spell kind of symbolic gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023. The Spell cost basically is supposed to explicitly cross a sort of normal value level of $0.000605330, the normal sort of least value worth of really Spell kind of token, toward the finish of the in every practical sense. Current year ought to in a real sense be $0.000585222, which basically shows that this explicitly makes certainly Spell sort of token. Spell, genuinely positioning at 352 in the digital money market, which generally is genuinely critical. Besides especially Spell can sort of arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $0.000673030, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. Spell certainly token, Spell, value gauge July 2023. The Spell genuinely token, Spell, cost for July 2023. May in every way that really matters, arrive at a fundamentally least worth of $0.000482006, while the genuinely greatest determined cost for the most part is around $0.000542332, which certainly is very huge. The in every practical sense, normal cost for explicitly Spell explicitly is by and large anticipated to essentially reach $0.000522726 in July 2023. Genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Spell certainly token, Spell, value expectation August 2023. The cost for in a real sense Spell especially token in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.000519797 and $0.000563441, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. While the typical exchanging cost ought to especially be around $0.000543008, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Spell especially token value expectation September 2023. The cost of really Spell essentially token explicitly is truly anticipated to for the most part reach at a sort of least worth of $0.000528883 in September 2023, or so they especially thought. The Spell cost could for the most part arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.000590057, with the very normal exchanging worth of $0.000553994 all through 2023 in a significant manner. Spell pretty symbolic value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of for the most part Spell truly token especially is supposed to be at around a genuinely least of $0.000545545, exhibiting how generally Spell certainly token value expectation September 2023. The cost of in every way that really matters, Spell truly token in every way that really matters, is for the most part anticipated to basically reach at a truly least worth of $0.000528883 in September 2023, or so they by and large thought. Spell really token cost can in a real sense arrive at an especially limit of $0.000618626, with the in every practical sense normal cost of $0.000570055 in United States dollars, showing how besides especially spell can truly arrive at a very most extreme value level of $0.000673030, or so they fundamentally thought. Spell sort of token value expectation November 2023. In every practical sense, spell extremely token cost basically is supposed to especially reach between $0.000562556 to $0.0006467 in November 2023, while the exceptionally normal cost of especially spell for the November truly remains around $0.000586767 in a real sense. Spell value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of fundamentally spell especially token truly is determined to explicitly be at around an especially least worth of $0.000585222. So by and large spell token value expectation September 2023, the cost of especially spell essentially token generally is fundamentally anticipated to really reach at a kind of least worth of $0.000528883 in September 2023, which especially is genuinely critical. The spell truly token value worth can truly arrive at an especially limit of $0.000673030, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $0.000605330 in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. Spell really token extremely past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the spell token's cost has shown an especially decent increment of 3.44% in the genuinely most recent 24 hours, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. From very most recent 7 days the spell in every way that really matters was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 8.21%, which truly is very critical. Spell especially token generally has shown extremely serious areas of strength for lovely all goals and purposes potential recently, and this could be somewhat great chance to for the most part dive right in and contribute, exhibiting that starting around 15 July 2023. Spell truly token is exchanging at $0.0005049 in term of its United States dollars rates, with the value change of 0.14% in fundamentally most recent 1 hour in an essentially significant manner. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of truly spell essentially diminished by 36.440%, killing an incredible truly normal amount of $0.000289111 from its kind of current worth, showing how besides explicitly spell can generally arrive at a fundamentally greatest value level of $0.000673030, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can really be a very decent fundamentally purchase